Features and benefits. Advanced electrostatic technology. This patented nanofiber filter is engineered with a permanent self-generated electrostatic charge, offering superior filtration efficiency. By leveraging static electricity, it captures both visible and microscopic particles with ease, ensuring clean, breathable air in a variety of settings, from homes to factories. Active carbon effective for odor elimination. The integrated active carbon layer works as a powerful odor neutralizer, targeting pet smells, paint fumes, smoke, cooking odors, mildew, cleaning chemicals, and other volatile organic compounds, VOC. Specifically tailored to protect moms and babies, it provides a fresher and healthier indoor environment. High-efficiency PM 2.5 filtration designed with a multi-fold pattern for maximum surface area, these filters achieve over 99.99% PM 2.5 and 99.00% PM 0.3 particle removal within just 2 hours. They also capture ultrafine particles as small as 20 to 100 nanometers, ensuring that even the tiniest contaminants are filtered out. Affordable and easy to use. Each box contains 3 high-performance filters, offering excellent value for money. To maintain consistent air purification, replace the filters every 1 to 2 months. For highly polluted environments, monthly replacement is recommended to ensure peak performance. Superior cleaning efficiency. With its filtration capabilities 75 times greater than standard air conditioning filters, the authentic mom and baby care filter surpasses HEPA standards and meets ULPA-level performance. Its exceptional efficiency makes it ideal for clean rooms and other sensitive environments. Safe, certified, and eco-friendly. This medical-grade biodegradable nanofiber filter is asthma and allergy-friendly, capturing ultrafine particles, dust, lint, and allergens effectively. Certified by leading international bodies such as ROHS, REACH, SVHC, NTS, and the University of Malaya, it guarantees safety, reliability, and environmental responsibility. Durable and long-lasting design. Crafted with high tensile strength, the filter is resistant to tearing and wear, providing reliable long-term performance. Its robust construction ensures that you and your family enjoy consistently clean air, contributing to a healthier living environment.
Breathing fresh, breathing clean.